Hey everyone, it's Jared with Heat Press Nation. Now who says that safety and style don't mix? If your laptop could use some stylish protection, then you might want to consider a Sublimation laptop sleeve. In this video, I'll be showing you how they can be personalized with your vibrant, full color images in no time. So stick around as we customize this. If you enjoy this video or find it to be helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. But for the latest tutorials and live episodes from Heat Press Nation, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and click that notification bell. Okay, well let's get started. By applying your sublimation transfers onto these special laptop sleeves, you could bring your tech on the go with style. With their soft white front surface ready for sublimation, any sublimation transfer applied onto these sleeves is guaranteed to have their colors pop out at their best quality. Available in sizes from 10 to 17 inches, anyone's favorite tablet or laptop can readily fit inside these sleeves. By being built with neoprene and offering dual zippers, they're also water resistant to protect your valuable devices from any spills and splashes. To begin, you'll need to prepare your image or graphic design within the imprint area of a particularly sized sleeve. You can find info for this at the sleeves page at heatpressnation.com. But if you have graphic design software like Adobe Illustrator, you can use our 11 by 17 or 13 by 19 inch template in the description below. By using either template, you can import and center your image or graphic to it, organize it below the bleed layer, use that layer as a clipping mask, then either hide or delete the imprint layer. Using the bleed layer as a mask will help make aligning the sleeve onto the printed transfer easier, and you won't have to worry about the image potentially clipping when applied. Once you're settled with your sleeve, you may print it through your sublimation printer. Due to the larger size of these laptop sleeves, you'll need a printer that can handle at least 11 by 17 inch paper. If you own a Sawgrass SG-1000 with a bypass tray for instance, set your media size to the proper size, then send it to Sawgrass Print Manager with these settings. Substrate set to polyester, paper set to your paper's profile, source to the bypass tray, leave the mirror option checked, and change the color mode in the color tab to photographic or vivid depending on your image's level of detail. With all of these set, you may click print on SPM. Now we're ready to apply this transfer onto our laptop sleeve. But before we turn on our heat press, we'll need to add a pressing pillow onto it, or replace the rubber pad on the lower plat. This should help even out the heating element with the sleeve upon pressing, particularly for the sleeve's edges and dual zippers. You can then test press your sleeve to determine your machine's level of medium pressure. As soon as you've adjusted it to the right pressure, you may take off your sleeve and turn on your heat press, setting it to 70 seconds at 400 degrees Fahrenheit. As soon as your machine hits temperature, cover the lower platen with a sheet of parchment paper, then place your transfer on top. Now you may add your sleeve on top with the white side facing down on the printed image. Then attach it to the transfer to keep it in place with either heat tape or adhesive spray. If you plan on using adhesive spray, we recommend doing so away from the machine as to not leave any residue on it. In terms of how to spray, a light spraying on the transfer itself should be enough to have it attached to your sleeve. But as soon as you've attached them together, flip it so that the paper side faces up, cover it with another sheet of parchment paper, and press. After 70 seconds, open your machine and allow the sleeve to cool down for a moment. As soon as it's cooled down, you may quickly peel the transfer from the center and your Sublimation laptop sleeve has now been customized with your awesome image. To learn more about Sublimation laptop sleeves and other Sublimation blanks, visit us at heatpressnation.com. For any questions, be sure to contact one of our MyExpert representatives at heat.press/support. Once again, I'm Jared with Heat Press Nation, and thanks for watching.